Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to fix packet loss in Valorant. We always have this thing which is inside the game. We have the packet loss. We have 60 or 30 ping, 30 ms, and still we have this packet loss problem which is really terrible. And this is really annoying inside the game, guys, because sometimes you'll be in competitive game, you are the only one alive, you need the ace, and yeah, the ping decided to like ruin your day. So how we can actually fix that? That's what I'm going to show you inside of this video. So first of all, guys, head up to play and open, for example, any kind of modes, beside of course the custom game. Now here you will see that you will find on the top of this of your name or your card, this is the symbol of your internet connection. So make sure guys that you only check the green ones. So here is multiple servers and choose the green ones which are the best servers for you. And now, after we pick the green ones, basically, whenever we launch a game, we will only play in these two servers, so either Frankfurt and Paris. And of course, guys, you will have to check that every day, every moment you try to play. Because sometimes, for me, for example, Paris may be logging, London might be not logging, Frankfurt might be logging, Paris might be not logging, and so go on. So after we did that, and you still have this problem, no problem, guys. I have the solution for you. So maybe now, after we did that, what you'll have to do is pretty much simpler, which is go to a new tab. And basically here, what you'll have to do is go to exit log. And basically, guys, the exit log, it is a software that will help you get right of lag in your game. So after you get to this page, let's go ahead and get exit lag. They give you like 3 days free trial, so make sure to use them well. Like just get the free trial and then try it out if it works for you guys. And it really works, guys, trust me. It works for all my friends and for me myself, it works for me. So basically just try it for 3 days. It just like fixes a bunch of problems. For example, for me, when I tried it the first time, so as you can see here, let me just fix that. Okay, so as you can see here, my ping now is 62. When I turned on exit lag, it became 41. Imagine, guys, 20 ms just like that. With a finger click, it has been removed. So yeah, guys, these two steps that you must really do, which are fixing your servers and then go and download exit lag if you don't, if the fixing servers method didn't work. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.